Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving deep into the Corsair RM1000e 2025, a power supply unit that's making some serious waves in the PC building community. This isn't just another PSU. It's a fully modular, low-noise ATX powerhouse designed for modern, high-performance systems. First impressions matter, and the RM1000e doesn't disappoint. The fully modular design is a godsend for cable management. You only connect the cables you need, reducing clutter and improving airflow inside your case. This is a huge plus for anyone who values a clean and organized build. But it's not just about looks. The RM1000e is Intel ATX 3.1 certified, meaning it's ready for the latest and greatest components, including those power-hungry PCIe 5.1 GPUs. This certification guarantees it can handle those sudden power spikes, up to 2x the GPU's rated power, giving you peace of mind when pushing your system to its limits. One of the standout features is its commitment to silence. Corsair has equipped this PSU with a 120mm rifle bearing fan and a custom fan curve. The result is a remarkably quiet operation, even when the PSU is working hard at full load. No more annoying fan noise distracting you from your gaming or work. Reliability is key, and Corsair hasn't skimped on quality components. The RM1000e boasts 105-degree C-rated capacitors, ensuring stable power delivery and long-term dependability. These capacitors are built to withstand high temperatures, contributing to the PSU's overall lifespan and reliability. Another feature worth highlighting is its modern standby compatibility. This allows for incredibly fast wake-from-sleep times and improved low-load efficiency. Your system will be more responsive and use less power when idle, which is great for both your electricity bill and the environment. The Corsair RM1000e delivers 1,000 watts of power in an ATX form factor, using air for cooling. In conclusion, the Corsair RM1000e 2025 is a top-tier power supply that ticks all the right boxes. It's fully modular, ATX 3.1 certified, quiet, reliable, and efficient. Whether you're building a high-end gaming rig or a powerful workstation, this PSU is definitely worth considering. It offers a blend of performance, features, and reliability that's hard to beat.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.